Welcome back to the AI Work Innovator channel. Today, we will quickly experience a powerful AI image creation tool, SeaArt.ai, to use this tool. First, you need to create an account and log in. You can quickly connect by using your Gmail account. The SeaArt homepage is where the community's created products are displayed. You can search for ideas through the homepage or suggested tags here. To start creating your own images, click on the Generate button in the top menu area. Before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. At SeaArt, you will receive 150 free energy points every day to use. On the left side of the workspace is the menu of current tool features. If you want to create an image from an image, click on the Image to Image option in the Advanced section. Here, you can upload your image and choose Intelligent Analysis to automatically generate prompts from the original image. Alright, now let's start creating images. First, you need to select a model in the top right corner of the screen. I'll choose the Disney Pixar model. If you don't have any specific ideas, you can try a random prompt by clicking the dice button at the bottom right. Just below the model selection, you'll find the settings for Image Mode, Image Quantity, Image Size. With the current settings, I will use 14 energy points for each session to generate 2 images. Once you've set everything up, simply click Generate and wait a moment. We now have the first set of images. Now, I'll keep the original prompt and change the model to compare the differences. This time, I'll choose a realistic human model called Epic Realism. Let's generate and see the results. We have completely different images with this style. Don't they look more realistic? Next, I'll try a different model style to explore the variety of models available on SeaArt. Click on the Explore More tab to see the full list. For this session, I'll choose Fusion Mix. I'll keep the original prompt and click Generate. Well, we've got 3 entirely different image styles with just one prompt. Next, let's explore an exciting feature of SeaArt, creating animations from images. Simply select the image you want, click on Animate, and you'll be taken to the animation creation area. Creating an animated video will cost you 30 energy points each time. Click Generate and wait for a moment. Creating an animated video takes a bit longer than generating regular images. Please be patient. And we have the results. What do you think of this tool? Leave a comment below to discuss further. Thanks for watching.